Hey Bilaras, welcome back to your favorite spot for natural skincare. Does your skin look dull, uneven, or feel rough to the touch? Are dark spots and acne scars making it hard to get that flawless, radiant glow? If you've been struggling with any of these, I've got the perfect solution for you. A simple yet powerful DIY coffee scrub. This scrub exfoliates, brightens, smooths your skin, and preps it to absorb all the goodness from your skincare routine. Plus, it's made with just 3 ingredients straight from your kitchen. Stick around to see how it works, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new DIY beauty secret. Let's get straight into it. In a clean bowl, mix coffee, which is packed with antioxidants and natural exfoliating properties. It buffs away dead skin cells, fades dark spots, and promotes an even skin tone. Next, add yogurt, rich in lactic acid, to gently exfoliate, brighten the skin, and help fade scars and hyperpigmentation. Finally, blend in honey, a powerful natural humectant that locks in moisture, fights acne with its antibacterial properties, and leaves your skin glowing. This scrub not only polishes your skin, but also helps it to absorb nourishing face masks better. Now, apply the scrub evenly to a clean, dry face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for 15 minutes so all the ingredients can work their magic. Once it starts to dry, gently apply massage in circular motions to boost circulation and exfoliate away impurities. Rinse with lukewarm water, pat dry, and follow up with a moisturizer to lock in hydration. Use this scrub up to twice a week for the best results. Consistent care leads to glowing skin. Stick with it and you'll see the transformation. Here are some pro tips for you. Use freshly ground coffee for the best exfoliation and avoid instant coffee. Be gentle while scrubbing to avoid irritation, especially if you have sensitive skin. Pair this scrub with a nourishing face mask after exfoliation for maximum absorption. Try my DIY cucumber mask for deep hydration and firming, linked in the description. And that's it, Bilaras. This quick and easy scrub removes dead skin, fades dark spots, smooths your texture, and gives you a natural glow, all in just a few minutes. If you try this scrub, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. And tell me what's your biggest skincare struggle. I might make a DIY just for you. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural skincare secrets every week. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!